Hello everyone. So let's talk about how to manage leads in VedaERP software. So I'll show you. So this is the basically our panel for lead management. So as you can see, there are 4112 leads. So I can filter from the various parameter also. So let me select one user. Let's say Jagwant I select. So I can see how many lead assigned to Jagwant Singh. There are 1353 leads. So I'll just click on that and I can see all the leads here. So there are various lead sources, like you can see this lead came from reference, this lead came from the website, and there are multiple options. We have a integration with Facebook and WhatsApp also. So we already integrated WhatsApp bot on our website, so we can just select the lead source here, WhatsApp, and we can filter out how many leads came from the WhatsApp. So let's select WhatsApp bot and we just click on filter, and I can see this lead came from WhatsApp bot. So let's go to again the all lead section. Just remove this filter. Just filter one user here, Jagwant Singh. So as you can see, this is the lead. I just click on that lead. I can see how many items we have provided. So we have provided 2 items here. So we have a rate, MRP, discount. Then we have a various option. So lead source, lead category, lead type, and the client name. And we have an integration with telephony also. So as you can see, there is a mobile number, and we have already did telephony integration. We just click on the dial button and user will get a call. So I just received a call, and whenever I answer a call, it will ring to the client mobile. As you can see, both phones are ringing. So I can take a call from here. So now client and the user both can talk, and we create all the call logs here, and we can listen the recording also. Okay, then we have a comment section here, so we can just do the comment. Let's say client said that call me on Wednesday 11 p.m. So we can just select the follow-up and we put up remarks here, and we can select the date time. So let's say 24th 11th, and we just click on the this. Now the log also created here. So as you can see, so if sometime what happens, client need multiple kind of proposal with the various item. So we have a revise option also here, and we can just do on revise section, and then we have a email integration also there. So we just click on the email, and the proposal will automatically send to the particular ID. Now you can see, we just click on the send email, and we will get an email in the inbox folder. Then we have an integration with WhatsApp. So we just click on the message button, and we can do the SMS and WhatsApp integration also. So on the WhatsApp section, just enter my number here, 99100 58735. Remove SMS section and just click send. So I'll able to receive the PDF file on my WhatsApp. And anything else you want to know, that's it. So this is basically lead section. From here only we can create a performa invoice, and we can raise the invoice also. So, and there is a payment gateway integration also. Whenever we are sending email or WhatsApp, the payment link will get also dispatched to the client, and client can also make the payment and will get confirmation on our portal that we have received the payment from client. So if you have any questions, so you can contact us. These are the below details. Thank you.